Hello friends, in this session I am going to discussing about another important rearrangement reaction, that is Neber's rearrangement reaction. In this rearrangement reaction I give you a definition, a reaction mechanism, and I give you a few application of this Neber rearrangement reaction. Simply, what is the definition of this Neber rearrangement reaction? Uh, in this rearrangement reaction, when ketones and tosylates is converted into alpha amino ketone containing compound in the presence of base and pyridine, and which is undergoes to hydrolysis takes place, then it forms alpha amino ketone containing compound from ketones and tosylates. This is the definition of Neber rearrangement reaction. This is the definition. Note down this definition on the board. Okay. And now coming to the reaction of this Neber rearrangement reaction. Simple, what is the reaction? Initially you can take ketones and tosylate, that is, this is the ketones and tosylate, this is the tosylate, OTS is the tosylate, this is the ketones and tosylate, which is treated with base, that base is OET minus or pyridine. In the presence of base and pyridine, then it forms alpha amino ketone containing compound. Alpha amino ketone containing compound is formed. This is the ketones and tosylate. Whenever this ketones and tosylate is converted into alpha amino ketone in the presence of base and pyridine, which is undergoes to hydrolysis, also takes place. This is the reaction of Neber rearrangement reaction. This is the reaction. Note down this reaction. Okay. Now we are going to mechanism of this Neber rearrangement reaction. Mechanism. What is the mechanism of this Neber rearrangement reaction? In this Neber rearrangement reaction, initially you can take ketones and tosylate, that is R C double bond O N bond OTS, and this is the CH 2 bond R bond. This is the ketones and tosylate. In this ketones and tosylate, which is treated with a base, then it forms an intermediate, that is carbanion intermediate. It forms, then it forms a carbanion intermediate. Because of here OH minus or OET minus, then it removes HOET, ethanol is removed, then it forms a carbanion is formed. Because of here a proton is removed from CH2. Then in this carbanion, in this reaction, in this carbon intermediate or in this reaction, this bond is migration here, or OTS or tosylate is removed. In this reaction, OTS is removed, tosylate is removed, and it forms this type of reaction, that is here this minus charge along this electron deficient nitrogen atom. Here this carbanion attacking this carbanion attacking this nitrogen, electron deficient nitrogen, then it forms this type of reaction, and which is undergoes to hydrolysis takes place. Then here this bond is migration here, and this bond, and it forms this type, and here it creates a carbocation, and it which forms here, it forms this type of product. Okay, here this bond is migration here and this bond is migration here. So this H plus ion attacking this NH, then it forms our required product, that is alpha amino ketone containing compound is formed. Sorry, alpha amino ketone containing compound is formed. This is the our required product. This is the our required product from ketoxin phosphate, which is treated with the base. Then it forms this type of reaction or carbon intermediate. This carbon intermediate, this minus charge attack this electron deficient of nitrogen. Then and here in this reaction phosphate is removed. This type of reaction is formed, and here this bond is migration here. Then it creates a carbocation and nitrogen having a lone pair, and it undergoes the hydrolysis. And this H2 water molecule H plus and OH minus is dissociation, and H plus ion attacking this nitrogen and OH minus ion is attacking this carbocation. This type of reaction is formed, and here in this reaction bond is migration here. This bond is migration and this bond is migration here. This H plus ion attacking this nitrogen, it forms our required product, that is alpha amino ketone containing compound is formed from ketoxin phosphate. This is the Neber rearrangement reaction of mechanism. Mechanism of this is the mechanism of Neber rearrangement reaction. Now coming to the some applications of this Neber rearrangement reaction. Initially we can take ketoxin phosphate, for example CH3 C double bond O, N bond OTS, and this is also CH3, for example. Okay, this is the one of the ketoxin phosphate in the presence of base or pyridine, and it forms our required product. What is the required product? We know CH3 C double bond O, and sorry, our required product, what is the our required carbonyl compound, that is alpha amino. This is the alpha. Okay, alpha position. This is the alpha position beside the carbonyl compound carbon, that is the alpha position. Alpha amino carbon containing compound or ketone is formed. Another application, for example, here alkyl group is taking, we are taking a methyl group, and here this alkyl group replacing with a phenyl group. This is the phosphate and this is the CH3. Okay, now in this application, which is treated with base or pyridine, then it forms our required product, that is the second application of this Neber rearrangement reaction. In this first application, you can see alpha amino ketone containing compound from ketoxin phosphate. Another application from ketoxin phosphate. Here only changing a alkyl group, it forms a alpha amino ketone containing compound. These are the some applications of Neber rearrangement reaction. Okay, I hope you can understand this rearrangement reaction, that is Neber rearrangement reaction. Okay, thank you.